The Sinjuk Kisan Shnong, comprising Sopa Ir, Madan Rinting, Minri Umsning, Kweng, and Liarsluit village, hosted the common platform for the Umroi constituency, in which there are 5 candidates to contest for the seat. However, only 2 candidates, independent candidate George B. Lingdo and NPP candidate Rankin Sai Karbuki, attended the event at Liarsluit village. The event was moderated by Kirman Lang Yuria, editor of Ushilong Mail, aims to provide a platform for candidates to present their visions and policies to the public. The absence of 3 candidates left many attendees disappointed, as they were eager to hear from all contenders about the plans for the constituency.
Lada ke council kamsnak ni don kam jadi paibaru halor kini lengkap bak kirang bas nong bak kipibaru sok di Broadway. Nah termen skam bagi lagi long kini gijongi itu haga resmi ngin yang menjulang ban ai jai syai mai. Bahkan ni ke step buku pengawalan ni kalau ban dia tu dia pi bau MDC jong pi upwa ban lang pen klan susu ia gajing ai jai kejongi syai mai.